The STARTRC drone speaker Megaphone ST-DS01 is a versatile accessory compatible with a variety of drones, including DJI Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Pro, Air 3, Mavic 2, Mavic Pro, Holy Stone drone, and other RC Quadcopters and Multirotors with a payload capacity over 100 grams. This speaker is designed for multi-scene use, including dog finding, fire rescues, farm security, event holding, anti-epidemic publicity, crowd evacuation, danger warnings, traffic command, shopping mall selling, and wedding scenes. The loudspeaker can also be used for emergency rescues, providing shouting support to locate trapped individuals in difficult road conditions. Equipped with a wireless frequency band and a built-in voice decoding chip, it offers up to 3,000-meter ultra-long-distance transmission with sound up to 120 decibels, ensuring clear and loud messaging without affecting the flight of Mavic 3 Pro. The drone speaker features a built-in 5-volt 800 mAh large-capacity lithium battery, offering long-lasting battery life for DJI Mavic 3 and continuous shouting for 120 minutes, in addition to supporting fast charging. Made of ABS material, the speaker is lightweight, wear-resistant, and easy to carry outdoors, enhancing the toughness of the fuselage and providing easy anti-fall wear protection, ensuring it does not affect the flight life of the aircraft.